name is Jonah Witherell. Our project was on analyzing concentration levels and online learning with facial values. Essentially, what we did is we took some online webcam sessions and essentially determined the concentration levels of students, and in this case, us, to potentially help improve learning efficiency. We created a data set of about 400 different videos and utilized a process of deep faking, as well as taking those videos and extracting our some of the eye coordinates through the gaze tracking software, and then ultimately taking all of the data that we had gathered and input that into machine learning models. And next to Jonathan with our research questions.
Our research question was, can deep learning models accurately predict whether an individual is focused or distracted on a task in order to improve learning efficiency? Our data collection focused on creating deepfake videos while emulating distraction or focus. Here is an example of our concentrated deepfake videos. The video on the left is the original, and the images in the middle are what we will be deepfaking, and the videos on the right are our final results. And here's the same for the distracted deepfakes. Now over to Jacob with our materials and methods.
Thank you, Jonathan. So on to materials and methods. What we used included our desktops, we used webcams, we used a server for our models, we used open source software, and we used Office 365. And our method workflow was that we recorded ourselves. For our video data, we deepfake those videos, and then we generated eye tracking models and architectures. And next we have Stephen with the results.
Thanks, Jacob. Now, as you can see, we use two models for our final results, 2D CNN, which revolves around image data, and 3D CNN with some 1D CNN added to it. This revolves around video data and eye data. As you can see, we could barely just reach over 50% for our final results. With that, I'll lend you over to Jakira for our conclusions.
After seeing what Stephen had said, our data was only partially accurate and we only got 50% accuracy. With this, we would further improve our models by using more historical data and adding more videos to input into the models to be trained. Overall, the models were 50% and we got partial data from it, so I believe that this project was semi-accurate.
And we'd like to give a special thanks to our project sponsors, Dr. Shi and Dr. Lee, and the contributors to the GitHub software that we used.
Thanks for tuning in.